Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Gabriele Pieri from the Institute of Information Science and Technologies of the National Research Council of Italy. Today, I'm presenting a demo application called ARTiCo, Augmented Reality in Tissue Converting, which has been designed and developed together with Davide Moroni, Marco Tampucci, and Daniele Masini. The problem addressed in this demo concerns tissue converting lines in factories converting paper tissue to paper rolls for domestic and sanitary usage. These factories have productivity and efficiency issues, which we addressed through innovative ICT solutions and the latest advancements in computer vision and video analytic methods. Thus, we developed an augmented reality interface to support the converting lines monitoring and maintenance operations. A converting line like the one shown in the picture here, which is the one where our demo was deployed, is a piece of pretty huge machinery made up of more than 10,000 components and requiring continuous ordinary and extraordinary maintenance performed by very highly skilled personnel. The augmented reality application is designed to support that personnel through a remote assistance center. This application represents a part of the results of the Tuscany regional project IRIDE, aiming at the development of an intelligent line for tissue paper converting using ICT technologies at the service of advanced automation, coordinated by the company Futura. Many different devices are available for designing and deploying the augmented reality application, from smartphones to tablets to smart glasses. We use both smartphones and tablets in our actual development, while already available smart glasses are under development for future releases. Speaking about the framework used for the design and development, we performed a state-of-the-art analysis and we decided to use the Wikitude framework over others like Vuforia, ARCore, or iOS AirKit. Like the other frameworks, Wikitude can recognize images, markers, or 3D objects to locate the position of the device within the environment and correctly position the augmented reality content. Furthermore, once the location is recognized and the AR content is shown, Wikitude switches to the tracking mode, where the user's movements are translated into AR content displacement. Wikitude allows you to track movements even if the recognized object leaves the camera frame using SLAM techniques. In general, all frameworks work well with small objects that you can get around. Instead, thanks to the scene recognition, Wikitude can also recognize very large objects. The first step of development is the scene design. The augmented reality scene is built from pictures acquired by a smartphone through Wikitude Studio. The point cloud is generated from these pictures, and once it is generated, a user can place augmented reality objects directly on it. The type of AR content that can be added spans a wide variety, from images to videos, 3D objects, labels, or buttons. So the created scene can now be downloaded and integrated into a mobile application for remote data recovery. The AR content can also be edited to be used for monitoring and maintenance. For instance, the augmented reality labels can report real-time data and have interactive buttons that can be used for retrieving documents or for launching videos for maintenance assistance. The first version of the application was designed and tested in a controlled laboratory environment. It has two main components, for recognizing the target through Wikitude and another for retrieving remote data based on Android. Specific tools were developed to identify target objects' particular features and to set the AR content. In the sample video, we can see the laboratory demo already featuring many of these items. Among the different items in the video, an interactive AR button is used for downloading a specific document in PDF format, representing, for instance, an operative manual that the user can use either for troubleshooting or as a support in the ordinary maintenance. In this second video, following the object recognition, an interactive overlay object can be used for launching a demo video, which can help an operator for the maintenance operations to be executed step by step. We finalized and deployed the real factory scenario app following the laboratory demo. Three main categories of intervention were foreseen. One for monitoring the line parameters and possibly providing a live view from external cameras. Another one for the ordinary maintenance, providing, for example, documentation and videos. And a final one with possible troubleshooting during the maintenance operation. Real-time access to the machines was supplied for monitoring the performances and the various running real-time parameters. For security reasons, this data can only be attained through the PLC of the machinery, which is connected only through the internal network of the factory. The video shows side by side the views from within the app on the right and the external objective view to display the AR features appropriately on the left. We have two different areas, recognized separately in the video, each with its own data. After the particular area recognition, we can see the AR content showing real-time parameters and labels, and possibly raising the user attentions over a warning or requiring attention situation. So I've been presenting ARTiCo, a software prototype to perform scene recognition in an augmented reality system capable of supporting the maintenance operations and control of a tissue converting factory line. We have shown the extended implementation running in an actual factory environment. At the moment, further activities are under development for a future release of the app. Among them, the inclusion of a predictive maintenance through a big data analysis and using machine vision. Then we are working on a proactive system for the troubleshooting. And finally, as mentioned earlier, the integration of the app into see-through smart glasses is under development. Thank you for your attention.